Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Blazer. This Blazer is featured in a gray paint finish and is the True North trim. It includes features such as heated front seats, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a powered tailgate, lane keep assist with blind spot monitors, forward collision alert, parking sensors, Apple Carplay and Android Auto, black alloy wheels, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, below the controls for our power mirrors and power windows. We have the controls for our power tailgate, as well as some storage and our Bose speaker and the rest of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our lighting controls, as well as our electronic park brake. Powered settings down the side of the driver's seat, which is finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, as well as our forward collision alert. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has our hands-free and the controls for our driver information system. Moving to the left-hand side, or the right-hand side of the steering wheel, push to start ignition. We have auto stop start engine, hazard lights, glove box release, and our traction controls on either side of our infotainment. Between our infotainment system, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth connection, available navigation, an available Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. If we swipe to the right, we can also see we have additional apps, as well as OnStar, Sirius XM. We have our backup camera with our full 360-degree view. Additional controls across the bottom, even though it is a touchscreen. Then below that, we have our front climate control. You can change the temperature by scrolling either side. Have our vent speed in the center, as well as our heated driver and heated passenger seat on either side. Below, we have some storage where we can currently see our key. On our key, we have our locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and alarm system. Have our shifter and our two cup holders. Just below our shifter, we have our parking sensors, lane keep assist, as well as our drive select. Then we have some storage, center console, which we can open up on the front. Inside, we have some deep storage, 12-volt plug, SD slot, USB-C, and a USB. Then we have our passenger seat, also finished in our jet black cloth and heated. Then lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, rear check reminder, and our dome lighting controls, universal garage door opener, and lastly, a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have a black alloy rim with our all-season tires. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors with integrated turn signals, paint match keyless entry door handles, black roof rails. At the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our black badging with a black Chevrolet bow tie, as well as our black Blazer and all-wheel drive badging. Backup camera below our Chevrolet bow tie. You can open the trunk through the bottom. We have a handle for our power tailgate. In the back of the vehicle, we have some all-weather mats, 60/40 folding rear seats, as well as some storage on either side. You can fold the seats from the back of the vehicle by simply pulling on our handles on either side. Lastly, we can close the trunk by the button on the left-hand side or the handle on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, in the back of the driver's seat, as well as the back of the passenger seat, we have our storage compartments. Between the two seats, we have a USB-C, USB, and a 120-volt plug for charging. Some storage in the bottom. All-weather mats across our floors. Moving to these seats, we have a 60/40 folding bench, all finished in our jet black leather. In the center seat, we can fold down for two additional cup holders, and we can fold the seats by down the side, As mentioned before, it is a 60/40 folding split and can create some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.